Okay, I cleaned up the pen of the little one, and well, I sleep the other way around in it now, and the toilet is now at the dead end of the feet on the other side. And Nibbler, well, he's a bit stressed about all the noise that I made by cleaning up, all the sheets that he peed on, and that mommy delivered dead mice onto, once even a living mice. And I had to check if there were any dead mice in the pen. Nope, it was not that dirty. But yeah, also the litter box needed cleaning, all that stuff. And now mommy came, hearing all the noise from cleaning up, and now mommy and I want her baby to go in two different directions. Let's play that game again. Meow. Meow. Mommy wants to go to home, but there's tall grass that is very dangerous for the small one. And I want both of them to go to the kindergarten place. He really loves the stone, doesn't he? Ah. Meow. Meow. Come here. Meow. If you listen so badly, I need to get you. I have no hands free. I have no fucking hands free. Let's get the cat thrown to the place with all the baby kittens, so they can have fun with it. Meow. He's still sitting there. Oh my god. Meow. Mommy is patiently waiting. Over there. Now to the beast to the right. Problem is there are birds big enough to catch them and fly away with them. It's rare, but they do exist. Meow. Come here. Meow. Kitten doesn't listen. Not good. That means I will need at least 2 hands, if not 4. Oh, no, he's running. He is scared now.